Welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to show you how to make your very own pile of perfectly pillowy pancakes right at home. There's a good chance you have all the ingredients that you need already, so let's get started. First, take a large mixing bowl and a sifter if you have one. Now add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now sift all of the dry ingredients into the bowl. If your sifter is not broken, this is a pretty quick process, but it took me a couple minutes. Once that's done, get another bowl to mix together the wet ingredients, which are 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups of milk. You can adjust this slightly depending on how thick you like your pancakes, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And whisk these together until they're all well combined. I also threw in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a little extra flavor. Now that the wet ingredients are all ready, grab the bowl with your dry ingredients and combine the two together. Once the wet ingredients are in, you're just going to want to mix them until they're completely combined together. You don't want to overmix. It's perfectly normal to see some small lumps in the batter. These will go away when you cook them. I also like to let the batter sit and rest for about 15 minutes, but if you're starving, this isn't 100% necessary. Now preheat your griddle or pan to a medium-high heat and grease it with some butter. Now pour out your batter to whatever size pancakes that you want. I like to make sure that the griddle is hot enough so that when I pour out the batter, it starts sizzling right away. That way the pancakes cook pretty quickly and you get a nice crispy crust around the edges. Now the pancakes are going to cook for about 2 minutes. But instead of keeping an eye on the clock, it's better to look out for these things to let you know when to flip them. As the pancakes cook, you'll see some bubbles start to form on top and eventually pop. The tops will also start to dry out a little bit and the edges will start to brown. Now once they look something like this, you'll know that they're ready to be flipped. You should only have to flip the pancakes one time, so make sure you're looking out for all these things and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and flip these and we'll be nearly done. Now on this side, they should only need to cook for about 1 or 2 more minutes. And as you can see, this side is a nice golden brown and they have those crispy edges. So not even 2 minutes has passed and these are ready to come off. And as you can see right here, the other side is a perfect golden brown as well. Now that these two are done, we can repeat the process until we get the desired amount of pancakes that we want. Now you can go ahead and add whatever toppings you like maple syrup, butter, maybe even a mixed berry compote, which I showed how to make in another video. If you click on the banner right here, you'll find out how to make it. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of peanut butter on my pancakes. I recommend giving it a try if you haven't had it before. So these are ready to eat. I'm gonna cut myself a bite right now. While I'm doing that, please take this time to subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in seeing more right now, click on this video right here. I hope to see you again soon.